Now I move to the very interesting topic that how you solve, what are the methods to solve linear equations. Linear equation को solve करने के कैसे मेथड होते हैं, किस तरीके से आप linear equation को solve कर सकते हैं. Now I am going to tell you about this. So the methods are substitution method, elimination method, or you can solve linear equation by graphical method. So I am writing all these three. First one is elimination method. Second one is substitution. Method. Third one is graphical method. So these all are the methods to solve linear equation: elimination, substitution, and graphical method. Now I am going to tell you about how to solve linear equation by graphical method. Not by graphical method, but first step. Now I am going to tell you about how to solve linear equation by elimination method. Now first is I am taking one example. Now first example is, suppose if you have x plus 2y that is equal to 5. This is the equation, and second equation is x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. I repeat again, x plus 2y equal to 5 and x minus 2y equal to minus 3. By solve this linear equation by elimination method. So in linear equation, what is your aim? Your aim is to find out the value of all unknown variable. I don't know what is the value of x, what is the value of y. With the help of this variable and this equation, you need to find out the value of x and y. So in this equation, this linear equation, you need to solve this linear equation by elimination method. Elimination, that means you need to eliminate one variable first, find out the next variable value, and with the help of that variable value you find the previous one. So in this case, how you eliminate, the concept of elimination is whenever the coefficient of either variables is equal, you can eliminate it easily. So in this case, the variable of x is 1, which is equal to this variable. No problem. Here the y variable is 2, the y variable is also 2. There is no problem. So in this case, need not to multiply anything because x coefficient in both equation is same, y coefficient in both the equation, this is called coefficient. Okay, one is not written, but it assumed to be that there is one over here. So the coefficient of x variable, coefficient of y variable, both are same. Then you can solve it easily. So in elimination method, you can eliminate one variable either by adding or subtracting the equation. So in this equation, this plus 2y and this is minus 2y. If I am adding both equation, you will get the value in terms of x variable. So equation number 1, equation number 2, I am add all these two. So if you add these two, this plus 2y and minus 2y cancel, and adding with these two variable 1x will give you 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 comes 2. So what is the value of x? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 you will get 1. So my x value is equal to 1. Now in this case, what is my concept? I repeat again, I first maintain the coefficient of variables. It already maintained, it already equal, so need not for addition and subtraction. I simply add this y is eliminate from the equation and you have the one variable value. Now with the help of x equal to 1, now I am going to find out the value of y. With the help of this, help of x, find the y value. Find the y value. How you will get y value? Put this x value in this equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So I am putting my x value in equation 1. So what is my x1 equation? X plus 2y is equal to 5. So this x is equal to 1. So I am putting this x value over here. You will get 1 plus 2y is equal to 5. So 2y is equal to 4. So y become what? 4 by 2 you will get 2. So y equation is 2. So this is how you will get the value of x variable and y variable by elimination method. I repeat again what I had done till time. Elimination method, eliminate one variable, find out another variable value, with the help of this variable find the previous variable value. So this is how you solve the linear equation by elimination method. Now the same question, now I'm going to solve by subtracting the variable. So in this case, what happened? Since this is 2y, this is 2y, there is no problem. This is 2y, no problem at all. So instead of adding, I can subtract it also, because the coefficient of x variable is also same. But since both are positive, and if I subtract this value, now in this case I am subtracting the value. So this comes negative, this minus comes positive, this minus comes positive. After subtracting, this x plus and minus gone. This plus 2y become 4y. That is equal to what? 8. So what is the value of x in this case? X in this case is 2. Yes. So x in this case is what? 2. So when x equal to 2, what is the value of y then? No. Sorry. So this is what? This is not x, this is y. Sorry. So this is what? 2y plus 2y comes 4y. So this y value is equal to 2. Now putting this y value in this equation. So now I am putting this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is what? X plus 2y is equal to 5. So x plus 2 into y value is what? 2. So I am putting y equal to 2. That is equal to 5. So x plus 4 is equal to 5. So x become 1. So in this case also you will get x equal to 1, y equal to 2. So in the previous method, when you add, you will get y equal to 2, x equal to 1, and when I subtracting the value, you will get the same result. So in elimination, the first step is you eliminate one variable whenever the coefficient is equal. The concept is the coefficient must be equal for both variables. Now move to the second question. So in second question, let example is 3x plus y is equal to 9, and second equation is x plus 4y is equal to 14. Now none of the equation 1 and equation 2, none of the equation have similar coefficient of variable. देखो इधर x का वेरिएबल 3 है, इधर x का वेरिएबल 1 है. There is no similarity, not equal very coefficient. Here y variable is 4, x and this y variable is 1. The coefficient of y is 1, here coefficient is 4, not equal. So when there is not equal coefficient, then you need to be equal either of one variable, either x variable or y variable. So how I convert the non-equating variable into equal value? So here this is 3x, but this is x. So I need to multiply the second equation by 3. When you multiply the second equation by 3, what you will get? You will get 3x, because I am multiplying this 3 with this variable. So 3 into x comes 3x plus 3 multiplied by 4 comes 12y, that is equal to 14, 3 is 42. So this is 3x plus 12y equal to 42, and the first equation is what? 3x plus y equal to 9. I am rewrite this equation number 1. So now both equation equal. Now x variable coefficient 3, this x coefficient variable is 3. Both have the similar coefficient of equation. Both have the similar coefficient of x variable. Now you can easily subtract the variable. Now if I am subtracting, this is minus, minus and minus. So this plus 3x minus 3x gone. Eliminate this x variable by equating the coefficient of x variable. Now this is plus 12y, this is minus, you will get 12 minus 1, 11y. 42 minus 9 comes 33, so y becomes 33 by 11, it comes 3. So my y value is 3. Now you find the value of y. Already I get this value. Now put this y value in this equation, the first equation. Either you can put this equation in 2 also, but I am putting this equation into this. So you will get 3x plus y, that is equal to 9. My y value is what? 3. So I am putting 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 3x is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So from here x equal to what, sir? 6 by 3. So it comes 2. So x value is equal to 2. So if for this variable my x value is 2, y value is 3. How you check my answer is correct or not? You simply put the value of x, value of y in this equation, you will get 9. So if I am putting this 2 into this equation, so 3 into 2 comes 6 plus this y3 is equal to 9. Equations both are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the beauty of equation. That is how you solve the equation of linear whenever you use elimination method. Step number 1. First you check the coefficient of x variable and y variable. If any of the variable is equal, proceed, add or subtract the value, you will get one variable value by elimination and then further find out the next variable. And if there is mismatch value of coefficient of either of variable, multiply the same coefficient which need to be eliminated from the equation and then proceed. The rest step is same. So this is all about method to solve linear equation by elimination method. Thank you.